Hey everyone, welcome back to TV Fix, your channel for smart solutions and tech tips. Today we're starting a new tutorial. How to connect Bluetooth in TCL Android TV. Firstly, ensure to turn Bluetooth on the device you wish to pair with your TV. To pair a Bluetooth device to your TV, press Home to access the home screen. Scroll to Settings, then press OK. Scroll to Remotes and Accessories, then press OK. Scroll to Add Accessory, then press OK. Scroll to and select OK. Your TV will search for all available devices. The device will be displayed. Press OK. The device will start to pair with your TV. Scroll to pair, then press OK. Your TV will pair with the device. The device is now paired with your TV. That's it for today's tutorial. Thanks for watching TV Fix.